Okay, hi guys. So let's solve this. The first question says find a number that must be multiplied by 50 to make it a perfect square. First, we have to understand what a perfect square means. A perfect square is a number that when multiplied together, it will give you a given value. For example, 25 is a perfect square because 5 times 5 is 25. 36 is a perfect square. 6 times 6 is 35. 144 is a perfect square. 12 times 12 is 144 and so on. So now, this particular number is not a perfect square. So we are looking for a number that will multiply it to give it a perfect square. So in order to find that number, we're going to solve it this way. Solution. We're going to solve it the exact way we are solving the square root. Because a perfect square is also the same thing as the square root. So you have two divided to give us 25. 5 here will give us 5. And 5 here will give us 1. Now when you pair this number, you know a square root will pair after solving. So we pair this to give us 5. Now what is the odd number here? 2. So that odd number is the number that when you multiply by 50, because when you multiply 50 times 2, it will give us 100. 100 is a perfect square because 10 multiplied by 10 will give us 100. So 2 is that number that will be multiplied by 50 to give us a perfect square. So when finding the square root, the odd number, the after pairing, that number that comes out or stands alone is that number that you multiply to give you 50. Thank you.